Hey, what's up guys, it's Kiraman from Kiraman Gunpla Studio. Today I got here a big box from China again, Chinese model company, the COMET Industries SINANJU. And not familiar with the company background, but all I know is they do some conversion for the SINANJU master grade, the Bandai. For Bandai, so correct me if I'm wrong because I'm not that fan, but I just got hyped by this thing, so I got my hands on this already. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this SINANJU by COMET Industries has to offer us collectors. So fangen wir an, los geht's. The box is really big and it reminds me of the Solomon Faisalis model. So there we got the SINANJU silhouette on the box here, and it says here COMET Technology. Yep. So it's not COMET Industry. Anyway, it's the same for me. And if we open the box here, we can see instruction manual written in I think this one's Chinese if I'm not mistaken. Okay. And there we got the Chinese text here, which I cannot read, of course, I'm not a Chinese. And we got the parts list here, which is cool. There we go. And we got the building process here, which is cool, I can say. And there we got this parts here, which doesn't look complicated as I can assess. So this might be a nice build for me, or an interesting build. It's not that hard as I can assess, but I don't know if there are fitting issues. I'm not that versed with the review yet, so I didn't watch any reviews of this yet. Anyway, it's not that hard to build as I can see, and if there's some problems, it can be managed by your building skills like sanding and whatsoever. Okay, so we got here very nice shiny beam effect parts. So there we got so many beam effect parts here, and the clear green parts there, and there we got white parts here, so maroon parts. Then we got this silver parts, braid parts here. Then this one, the gold, this what made me decide to buy this, because of this gold accents, which I think it's not available in Bandai. I don't know because I don't have SINANJU from Bandai. And we got here black parts for there you will attach this with the gold parts. So, very cool. And mostly red parts here. So this is a bit matted in appearance. Okay. So there, mostly red parts. Then we got silver parts. I think this one for the boosters. Okay. And we got black parts here for the gun and shield and the bazooka. There we got here black parts again. There. And we got black parts, mostly black parts for the inner frame. There we go. And we got here nothing except for the dry transfer. Oh no, this is not dry. This is water slide deagles, which I'm not a fan of water slide. I much like the dry transfer. So there we got water slide eagles, and this metal pieces here. There So this will be attached in the tube, and there are springs also. It reminds me of the spring from they call this the Zaku. And so there we got the metal pieces here for the waist. I think this one for the waist. Yep, the tubes like that. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we got here the gold parts here, the spray painted gold, but you know the plastic is not brittle as I expected. So it's a bit you know, thick plastic, and it's very nice for me. Yep, this is a thick plastic, it's not brittle. So this runner T for this gold sprayed plastics here. And we got here another S for the shield and other accents here. Okay, and go with this kind of silver plastic here, and it's also thick. To be honest, it's a thick plastic. It's runner K. I might enjoy building this. So we got here runner J for this metallic colored black plastic, and we got here runner E and runner F, same colored plastic, so these are metallic black. And we got here this black runners here for runner A and runner B, runner G here, and another runner G. So we got two sets of runner G, and we got here red runners for runner L, this one for the shield, and we got runner M here for the armor parts. Then we got runner N and another runner N, so we got two sets of runner N here. Then we got runner W, so we got two sets of runner W here for this red armor parts. Then we got two sets of runner O. We got two sets of runner P here for the red parts. Then we got this runner X for this 4 pieces plastic here. Runner V for this, I think this one for the bazooka. Then we got runner Q for this silver parts, shiny silver parts, very cool. I really like it. And we got runner U here, two sets of runner U for this white parts, and this one matted black part. So this one runner D, runner C there. Then we got runner H, two sets of runner H here for this matted black parts, and choose them. We got two sets of runner I here for this black parts here. Okay, and so we got also clear green part here, runner R, and finally two sets of this clear yellow beam saber effect parts, or the beam tomahawk and beam saber effect parts. And lastly, we got these springs and silver parts for the tubes on the waist. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this unbox review of this Sinanju from COMET Industries or COMET Technologies. See you next time on the final build. Goodbye, God bless, take care.